Hi, my name is Doug Wayne, and I'm a professional YouTuber. Welcome to my assembly instructions tutorial on Sunday Health and Fitness Smart 15 level magnetic resistance optical wave long stride. On your marks, get set, go! Let's construct. Okay, go. Let's construct it. And going to the assembly. Remove 4 Allen bolts, 4 spring washers, 4 arc washers, and 2 plastic tubes from the mainframe number 1 with Allen wrench. Attach the front stabilizer number 2 and rear stabilizer number 3 onto the mainframe number 1. Secure with 4 Allen bolts, 4 spring washers, and 4 arc washers with Allen wrench. Ensure that all bolts and washers are in place and particularly threaded before completely tightening any of them. Let's Let's build it. Here. Let's keep making it away. Let's continue making a chair. Let's continue working. Going to make a chair. Going all the way. Remove some bolts. Going around. Continue making it up. Let's keep making it up. Let's go all the way. Continue building it up. Let's continue making. Going all around. Continue making a chance. Keep going. Let's build it. Time to build. Continue going. The back side. Step 2. Remove 6 Allen bolts number 53, number 18, 6 flower number 12 from mainframe with Allen wrench number 100. Insert the front tube cover on the handlebar post. Connect the sensor wire with the sensor extender wire and then connect tension hook with tension cable number 57B. Make sure that the tension control number 57 is the lowest level. You connect the tension cable number 57B. This ensures the wire is at the longest point. We recommend the assistance of a second person to help hold on to the handlebar post number 4. This will make the connection easier when you are attaching the tension hook number 61 to tension cable number 57B. Insert handlebar post number 4 into the post of the mainframe number 1 with 6 Allen bolts number 53, 6 spring washers number 86, flash washers number 12. That will just remove tie secure with Allen number 100. Ensure that all bolts and washers are in place and particularly threaded before completely tying and slide the front tube cover now V8 towards the mainframe number 1. Make it. See you working it in. Continue making it out. Let's continue making it away. Hey, keep making it out. Let's continue making it out. Let's plug it out. Let's continue making it out. Let's continue making it in. Let's go all the way. Let's keep working. The sign elliptical. Keep making it out. Keep making it in. Keep making it out. Continue building. Out. Continue making it in. Let's go all the way. Let's continue making it in. Let's go make it out. Going to make a chain. Tie the bow. Step 3, remove 2 weight washers, number 21, 2 D-shape washers, number 24, 2 flat washers, number 30, 2 spring washers, number 25, and 2 Allen bolts, number 26, for a long axle, number 56, with 2 Allen wrenches, number 100, insert a long axle, number 56, into a handlebar post, number 10, put it on 2 weight washers, number 21, that were just removed on both sides of the long axle, number 56, attach 11 right swing bars, number 7 out and 7 out on both sides of number 56 using 2 D-shaped washers, number 24, 2 flat washers, number 30, 2 spring washers, number 25, and 2 Allen bolts, number 26, that were just removed. Pre-secure with F2 Allen wrenches, number 100, do not complete tighten the Allen bolts, number 26 yet. Attach 11 right pairs of washers, number 8 out and number 8 are on 2 cranks, number 20, using 2 weight washers, number 29, which are pre-assembled. Hold on the cranks, 2 DC washers, number 24, 2 flat washers, number 30, and 2 spring washers, number 25, and 2 Allen bolts, number 26, pre-secure using Allen wrenches, number 100, do not completely tighten in the Allen bolts, number 26 yet. Attached to 11 right swing bars, number 7 out and no 7 out, number 7 out with to the 11 right pedals, numbers 8 out and number 8 out with 2 exos, number 30, flat washers, number 30, 2 flat washers, number 30, and 2 number 1 tight secure, span number 101, and span number 102. Tighten all 4 Allen bolts, number 26 tightly now secure the 11 right pedals, number 34 out and number 34 R to 11, right pedal supports number 8 out and number AR receiving 2 6 both number 33 and 6 5 R number 12 using expand number 102. Both pedals are labeled L and R left and right. Alright, no down 2 boards on the left, right pedal supports numbers L and number AR number 1 and 2. Then you can install the left and right pedals number 34 L and number 34 R. Adjust the pedal position to suit who your command level. Make sure both left or right pedals number 34 L and number 34 are set at the same position numbers. Continue going. Continue making. Let's continue making it up.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Let's continue making it up. Keep making it up. Continue making a chant. Continue going. Keep going. Continue making it up. Keep going. Let's continue going. Remove a stick. Keep making it up. Something's wrong. This leftover stick.
Yeah, maybe.
Continue. Yeah.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Anyway.
Keep going. Which one apparently fits? It's keep going. Let's continue going. Let's go make the way. Let's continue make it out.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Let's continue going. New exercise tools.
Up again.
Time to continue. Let's go all the way. Let's continue making it out. Let's continue making it in. Let's go all the way.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Let's continue making a chance. Let's keep making it out. Let's continue going. Continue making it out. Continue making it out. Turn off. Continue making it out. Let's go all the way. Continue make it. Continue make it out. Continue going.
ทานแล้วบุ๊กชนะ